Hi, my name is Ben Smith and I am a self-taught JavaScript engineer. This video is to demo a mobile app that I made using React Native. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a JavaScript engineer. Some of the technologies that I'm very good at are React, React Native, Redux, Mongo, Express, HTML, CSS. If you would like to contact me, that is my LinkedIn address, www.linkedin.com/n/Benjamin-Smith1- or excuse me, slash. And then the app that I'm about to show you, if you download on your iPhone or on an Android phone, the app just called Expo, you can in Expo go to that link and you'll be able to open up the app that I'm about to show you. I have not yet published it on the App Store or on the Play Store. It's just published through Expo. So if you want to view it, you'll have to go through Expo. So a little bit about the app that I created. It is a weightlifting app. And like I said, what you'll do if you want to actually see it for yourself is you'll go to Expo, and this is what Expo looks like, and then you can view my app. And so the app just starts out with a big screen like that. You go through it. It starts out, welcome to exercise app. Start by going to setup and add exercises, then add exercises to your workout, then use exercise app to track data during your workout. Basically, it's to track data while you're lifting weights is what it's for. Future versions will support other types of workouts and maybe wearables and things like that, but right now it's just for weightlifting. So onwards, we have two choices. We can sign in with Facebook, or we can sign up with email. And so the sign up with email, I'm just using Passport here on the server. So I'll put my name in here. My name, as I said, is Ben Smith. An email, and you'll see that I just wrote a little function here to tell me when the correct things are there. So if nothing's there, it's going to say email required, and let's just say I say demo. That's not an email yet. We'll say it's not a test. Demo at we'll say ben.com. Now finally it thinks it's an email. Okay. And again, the password, you can't click this button. I'm pushing on the sign up button. Nothing happens until you put a password in that meets all those requirements. So it must be between 6 and 20 characters, one numeric digit, one uppercase, one lowercase. So I'll put capital A, lowercase b, c. And you'll see what happens to the button. 1, 2, and now the error, the red error should go away and the button should be something that we can click now. Okay, boom, signed in. Now I'm ready to use the exercise app. So the idea is that we're going to create a workout routine, and we're going to be able to track our workout routine as we're working out, and then we're going to get so many points for each exercise that we do. And then over time, there's a little calendar here. We can see how well we're doing by day, by week, and by month. So hopefully, when we're done, not hopefully, it will be filled in with an exercise. Right now, today, May 18th, we have points earned 0, workouts completed 0. So let's go to step 1. Step 1, go to setup and create exercises for your workout. So let's go to here. We're going to create an exercise. So an exercise would be, for instance, like bench press. Why not? Description. I thought long and hard about this, whether to add a description or to take it away. And my idea is that form is very important for exercising well. And so you can just add a little note here. And so I'm going to say lower bar to 2 inches from chest. Okay. And then you can see I have a couple notes here. It says by exercise type, it says currently only strength is available. Click to see types that will be available in upcoming versions. So right now, if you choose strength, you're going to have to add things like how much weight you're going to do, how many reps you're going to do per set, and things like that. So like even if you click balance, it's still going to say strength as the value, just because in this version, that's the only thing that is available. Now, point value. What this is each time I complete a set, let's say a set would be, well, later on I'll be able to say for this workout, I want to do 100 pounds 10 times, And if I do at least 100 pounds and I do at least 10 times, I'll get this many points for that set. That's what this point value is here. And below it, it explains that. So I can do it 1 through 5. So that way, if I'm really focusing on bench press because it builds chest muscles, I can give this like a 5, right? And so I'll save that. Okay, so now I would add another exercise, another part of the body. We'll say leg extension. And description, for this one, we'll just say use machine. So, and again, I'm going to keep it at strength. Point value, we'll just say point value is 1. So there we have it. If I want to, I can edit these exercises. And we can see right here this little animation. It actually created using the animation API. I had it originally, so that little down arrow was merely replaced actually with an up arrow, but now it rotates. And I thought that was a little bit smoother. But I could edit these if I wanted to. For instance, bench press. I could say like bench press change, right? Just you would never call an exercise that, but just to show that the name of the bench press has now changed. So if I come over here, if I go to workouts, or let's go back to here. We did step 1. Now let's look at step 2. Go to setup and create workout using those exercises. And I know this is not a great tutorial, and in the next version of this, I will be adding a tutorial that actually guides you through. But for now, this is what I have. So indeed, we will call it chest and legs. And again, the description usually for something like this, if I'm going to be working out, I'll do it like Tuesday and Thursday. Right? So that way, when I'm in the gym, I know, oh, Tuesdays and Thursdays, I do this workout routine. So step 1. And just to show you, if I don't have anything there, description required. Okay? So I'm going to get that. And so let's add that back in. Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so now again, I get these are just reusable components. Same one as was in the edit workout. So I'm going to pick those two. Again, those toggled buttons, the state of them is being managed by the store in Redux. Okay, so, and again, if I don't choose anything here and I try to go on, you must choose at least one exercise. Well, yes, your exercise or your workout routine must have exercises, right? Okay, now here, again, if I try to go on, if I click next, I have to add at least one set to each exercise. So these sets for bench press, remember I said that for each set that I do, I'm going to get 5 points. So what's my goal? So last week I was able to do 8 pounds. This week I'm going to try to do 10 pounds. I'm going to try to do it 10 times. Let's add another set. And so I'll be able to do that 10 pounds 8 times because I'll be a little bit tired. And by the 3rd time, I'll be able to do that 10 pounds, let's say 6 times, because now I'll be really tired. Save those. Boom. Get the check mark there. And leg extension, for sake of brevity, we'll just do 1 with leg extension at 10 pounds. Okay, save that. And then I go on. I get to view my workout, everything that I put in there, the name, the description, the type, points per set, how many sets. Okay, and I'm going to save that. Go back to here. Our little tutorial. We're on number 3 now. Go to start to track your workout. So if I go to start, indeed the workout there. Again, I can see the extra information. That's the same reusable component that I used to create over here, edit an exercise. Same component, right? Just passing in different properties. Same component. And you can obviously tell that that right icon is passed in, and so I can put anything in there that I want to. Okay, so I click that. Am I ready? Yeah, let's go ahead and start. You can see there's a little timer there. That timer, you can pause it. If I wanted to finish right now, I could finish. I'm not going to because I haven't done any work, but again, that I just completely wrote that timer myself. I did all this styling myself, except for the buttons. The buttons, some of the buttons were done with React Native Elements. And as far as the navigation goes, I'm using React Navigation. And I actually linked it into Redux so I can read the current state, read the current screen, make changes in Redux if I want to. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, okay, so I just take a little break there. Again, I can pause and resume. But what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to do my workout. And so we can see that statistics are being tracked as we go along. And so for the bench press, my goal here was 10 pounds at 10 reps. And so if I do that, I will get 5 points. So let's pretend I just did that. I'm at the gym, and I did all 10 reps. Oh, no, I meant to say 10. So I did all 10 reps, I get 5 points. Right, I can close that one, open up the next one. In here, I'm tired, so I can only do this 10 pounds 8 times. And for the last one, we'll say I do 10 pounds. But now I'm really tired. I'm just like barely able to get started. So I do it 4 times. So I do not get the points there. So had I gotten it, I would have gotten 15 points. And so you can see where it says bench press changed under the exercise name. For the points, I only got 10 out of 15, although I did all 3 sets. Okay, and you can see when I press pause, the finish workout button comes up. It'll also come up as soon as I am done with this workout. So how much did I say here? 10? And we'll say I was able to do it 11 times. Okay, so then I am finished with my workout now. I earned 11 points, and over time, as I do more and more workouts, I'll be able to look at how many points I earned, and as long as I'm honestly setting those points at the beginning when I'm creating the workouts, then this will give me an idea of how I'm doing over time. Finish this workout. This kicks me over to the stats screen, and I can view stats by day. Today, on Thursday, I earned 11 points. I completed 1 workout, and I can see for the whole week, and then also I can see for the whole month. Obviously, for the week and the month, there's nothing else there, but at the top, where like it says May 2017, if I want to come over to April, I can see all my stats, for like April 14th or something like that, and then the month would be set to April. Obviously, there's nothing there for April because I just created this account on Thursday the 18th. So if I go back there, the stats will be there. Again, all of that information is put into there by Redux. Redux is keeping track of everything, and all the functions and methods and everything I wrote myself. There's not like a component to do these thing that I downloaded from a third-party library. And yes, you can click on one of these and see your workout itself. So again, if you sign out, just to show you the persistence, the data persistence, if I sign back in, and what did I say? Demo at ben.com, and then if I go ABC 1, 2, 3, yes, okay, and the data does persist from the database, chest and legs, and we can see there it's the same information. Again, that's a little bit about me. If you want to get in touch with me, if you want to hire me, I live in I live in Costa Mesa, California. My name is Ben Smith. I'm a JavaScript engineer. I don't only do mobile apps. I also do desktop apps, websites, not desktop apps, web apps, websites. You can go to www.linkedin.com/in/Benjamin-Smith1/ if you download Exponent, I publish this on Exponent, or just Expo, go to the App Store, go to the Google Play Store, download Expo, and you go to that link, you will be able to use this for yourself. Again, please contact me on LinkedIn. I would love to hear from you.